Okay, we've ordered 2 vegetable rolls and this gentleman is cooking them for us. We're in McLeod-Ganj in Himachal Pradesh in India. And that's the first one warmed up. Let's see. The gentleman's telling us what he's doing with the vegetables. So, and here's the vegetables. And some noodles, yeah. Vegetables and noodles being warmed up. One, yeah, not too spicy because one person doesn't want it spicy.
Not too much.
A little tiny bit, yeah. Thank you. So we're having medium spicy here, not too spicy. And the gentleman's just putting all the spices in and the sauces for the cooking. Looking pretty good, eh? Nice and fast. So we're putting now, just moving over there to see what's going on. None on that one. Yeah, leave that one.
One not
yeah.
spicy?
Yeah, one not.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
One is okay.
Yeah, one can be as spicy as you like, but one not. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, and this is going to be the vegetables to go inside the roll. There we go. Here's another one. There we are. That's it for the vegetables.
Putting onions.
Yes, lots of onion. That's fine. That's great. Thanks.
This is tomato ketchup.
Not too much of that, please. Yeah, little. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Yeah, that was some tomato ketchup the gentleman's put on. Now he's rolling them, and we'll be ready for eating any moment. Yep, that's very good. Wrapped lovely. Thank you. Thank you very much. There's a silver foil, aluminium foil there to keep them warm while I take them back to our hotel.
This is spicy one. Huh?
Yeah, okay, thank you. Yes,
In rubber.
with the rubber band.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
Flag, okay. No problem.
Thank you very much.